how to make him worry about losing you, and should you actually make him fear of losing you, and if you should, how to do it in a healthy way rather than playing a game for attention. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high-value woman secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And just before I share with you the 5 ways on how to make him fear losing you in a healthy way, don't forget to take my free self-awareness test to find out are you a woman of high value or low value, which I will drop down totally free in my video description box below. And just before I give you all those tips, if you like what I'm wearing, you can get this from my YouTube store. So first, sorry about the low value title. Yet, if you will stick till the end of this video, you will understand that all the tips I'm giving you here are very healthy, and if you will follow them, it will make you enjoy your life more and have people, not just men, respect, value, and appreciate you more in general. So here come the 5 tips on how to make him worry about losing you. Number 1. Always keep improving, grow as a person, aim to be the best self. When you keep improving yourself, you are evolving, you are growing, you are not staying stagnant. And your growth, aiming to be the best of yourself, is not only enjoyable for you, as every step that you take towards it makes you feel more valuable and worthy, but it's also very attractive for others. As first, you are not staying the same all the time. Think about it, right? How many times do you like to read the same book? After about 2 times, it's boring, right? But what if the pages never end and there is something new in each chapter? And this is exactly how you aiming to be the best of you gives a healthy amount of uncertainty to the opposite sex, keeps him wondering and makes him fall in love with you. And naturally, fear of losing you is, hey, who wouldn't? You're amazing. Number 2, setting in the healthy boundaries when needed. When you set in boundaries with people, you show with your actions that you value yourself. You do not allow people to abuse, bully, manipulate, and use you, which makes others respect and value you instead. So how do you make him fear losing you? Well, setting a boundary requires a lot of strength, and by setting it in, you are showing that, look, if you're not going to treat me with respect, I do not have a place for you in my life. And when people sense your strength after experiencing a few boundaries, not only their respect for you increases, but also we start to see you as more valuable. Therefore, fear of losing you kicks in. Just think about it. Don't we all appreciate things or people that have value more than the ones that don't? How to set in healthy boundaries? Please watch my video right here. Number 3, put God first. Do not put all your focus on a man. Do not put him on a pedestal. Do not give your life away for him or jump at his every single unreasonable wish or demand. As soon as you will do that, he will start to lose interest in you. Why? Because he is looking for a woman with a personality, for a woman that inspires and motivates him, for a woman who has a character, rather than neglects herself for a man and sets her life into pleasing him, right? Ladies, that is not only extremely unhealthy for both of you, but also very boring. Instead, well, I'm a Christian, I'm talking from a Christian's perspective. Put God first. Put the life that He has for you first. Follow your path and stay on it. And yes, of course, you should support and be there for each other and so on, but by no means turn that support into putting Him on a pedestal and start worshiping a man. Instead, follow Lord's path. Keep your eyes on what is the right thing to do, and your guy's eyes will stay on you. Number 4. Do the right thing even if it's really hard. Follow your logic, not the heart. The heart can be easily deceived and manipulated. And this is why it says in the Bible, guard your heart. The heart can believe what's wrong is right. Ladies, we do not live in a society where everyone is very kind and does the right thing. We have a lot of manipulators and selfish people who aim here to take advantage of you and do not take any responsibility for their nasty behaviors. Therefore, you must guard your heart. Follow the logic, observe the other person's actions, behaviors, and do the right thing based on them. Then you will focus on the other person's actions more than on words, and after a while, automatically doing the right thing will become much easier. And number 5, I think this one will inspire so many of you. Don't be desperate to have a boyfriend, be in a relationship, or get married. Ladies, have standards. Create a beautiful life for yourself and for others. Do the right thing. Make a difference. If you feel lonely or needy, great. Just help more people. Expand your circle. Do not settle for what is not good enough. You do not need a man to feel worthy in a society. This is social media, society's BS. Let me tell you what the Bible says, and it's really super awesome. So I will not read it, but I will explain what it says. Yet, if you do want to read it, take a screenshot right here, or you can find it in 1 Corinthians 7. It's called The Unmarried and the Widows. The Lord appreciates a single woman or a single man that is close to God more than a married woman or a man. Why? Because when you're single, you have more time to build a relationship with God. On the other hand, when you are married, there is a husband involved, there are kids, and so on. So the relationship with the Lord automatically becomes lesser. So think about it now. If Lord says that being single and close to God is better, then why are we so influenced by society to feel worthless as women if we do not have a husband? Can you spot a proper everyone's BS around us? Anyway, my point is, if being single is more appreciated and being married is stepping one step below, well, then if you really wanted to step that step below and you really want to get married, well, have standards in choosing a man and see, is he worthy of being married to? Because as a single woman, you actually have it the best right now. And just to make this all clear, God, of course, blesses marriages also. We all know that. Yet a step up is being single and having a close relationship with the Lord, which you can find yourself in 1 Corinthians 7. So my ladies, I hope this video inspired you to be stronger If you liked it, please press like, share it with the ladies who need it. Join Greta's High Value Woman School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one group coaching or coaching with a member of my team, book me through my website, which is called gretabereisaite.com. And ladies, if you want to know how to stay attractive via text, games men play on women, how to love yourself, how to control your emotions, and how to get your ex back, you can buy all of those videos from my website, which is called gretabereisaite.com. I will pin the link on where you can get it just under this video. Thank you for watching. Kisses from Dorset. Mwah.